Hello, in this video we'll take apart Msi CX61. Taken apart, computer fully working. If you need the parts, please follow links below in the description below there. So first of all, taking battery out, which is a 2 release buttons there, and little leverage down there in button to lift the battery off. So a bit struggling to take it out because it's not on a table. Never mind. So right, so that will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 screws externally. I work on it already, so I took a bottom cover off. So let's put it on the side. So will be 2 hidden screws, one there and one just there. So it's 20 24 now, 25 and 26, 27, and should be one more somewhere there, but never mind. But bear in mind there will be some hidden screws behind it. So in the next video I will show you how to dismantle heatsink and fan, and then we'll on the next video we'll show you how to take a keyboard off. Thank you for watching. Till next time. So today we're remove those screws out, heatsink and fan, and some cables, Wi-Fi cable, and CD drive comes out easily like that. Just pull it out, and there is 3 more screws in there hidden. So be careful of that, and don't fool yourself. You undone all the screws. Thank you.